on, Alex.
You want to wear gloves on your hand? You want to wear gloves on your hand?
Watch out.
I'll get you some gloves.
Whoa. Look, Alex, look. Oh.
Alright, let him put gloves on his hand. Sucks. Right, okay.
There's a bug on you. This is soft.
It's okay to keep you so that it won't hurt when you fall. No, do it, and then I'll go find another one. It's okay.
It's okay, Alex.
I'll go find your other gloves. Okay, go.
Whoa.
You have to use your hand to fall. Yeah.
Why?
Find your gloves.
Whoa. There's a car in the way.